Alright, so here it is. Here's my Publix haul or Publix heist for the week. This is $211.73 worth of goods. When it's all said and done, they paid me $34.49 moneymaker. And yes, I got paid in gas. I have an electric car, but I got paid in gas, and I'll take it. So this is for the week of April 21st to April 27th, or April 20th to April 26th if you live up north. Today is Thursday, the first day of the sale. I'm trying to do this every week, so please subscribe to my channel so you can get these deals right off, because some of these deals are going to go away. And at $211.73, $34.49 overage money maker, and that includes tax. So let's get right into 23 or so of the best deals I thought this week, and hopefully you can do them, because a lot of these deals are going to go away tomorrow, which is Friday, April 22nd, from the extra savings. Some of them, not a lot of them, some of them are going away. So get right on these deals if you're going to do them. And I usually break up the transaction. I did this in one transaction, which included three $50 gas cards, getting $10 off my total purchase. Actually $30 off my total purchase. 10, 10, and 10, so $30 off this total purchase. So that helped me get my $34.49 overage moneymaker. Get right into it. Let's see, the cinadust. I did this on my last video, so these are on sale from the extra savings till tomorrow, April 22nd. They're usually $2.99, so $5.98 for both of them. They're on sale 2 for $5, so $5 paid for that, and you submit to Swagbucks or My Points, and you get 400 Swagbuck points, which is equivalent to $4 back. And I got it right away, so that was good. And Checkout 51 has $1 back on each jar, so that gives you $2 more. So $5 spent, getting 4 back from Swagbucks, 2 back from Checkout 51. You're looking at $1 overage on those. Fody pasta sauces, and of course I went to my favorite store that carries these, and they did, and they are regular $6.99, so for both of these would cost $11.98. However, they're still on sale for $5.49, but it doesn't matter, because I had a manufacturer printable for a free one, and that's going to expire in about 10 days. So if you're going to do this deal, you know, get them while you can. So the manufacturer printable, I don't have a picture of it here, but I got the link to print it below, and that takes the full price off, whether it's $6.99 or $5.49. So both of those jars were completely free, no tax on those. Nivea body wash, I did this deal before and I did it again, so these are a similar deal. I did it again. So these are regular price $4.39, so for 2 of them with tax, $9.44 from the save March 27th, and it's going to expire in a couple of days, so get on that one. It's a $4 off of 2 manufacturer coupons, so it took $4 off. Then Baya has $1 off, a Baya rebate for both of them, so I got $2 more off, $1 off, and $1 off on that. Baya also had a 25-cent any item rebate. I figured I'd throw that in. I was hoping it would take $2 off, so I clicked the other Nivea body wash rebate that took $2 off of each bottle, but unfortunately it took $1 off each bottle. Still a good deal, so both of those cost me $3.19, and of course it helps me add up to my $150 I had to add up to get 3 gas cards. Or if you want to just go up to $50, you'll get $10 off. I wanted to get $30 off because there was a lot of good deals. And let's keep going. Kodiak Waffle mix, regular price $6.29. I bought 2 of them because I have the link to print this coupon for a free box. I have that link to print that below, as I've posted in my other videos, and I did it again because Fetch also has 1,500 Fetch points for 2 of them. You don't have to do them at the same time, but I happen to do them at the same time, so that gave me another $1.50 back from Fetch. So they were already free, so that made a $1.50 overage moneymaker on those Kodiak Waffle Mix Jove water. Did this before and I did it again. Regular price is $2.49 for these, and it's on sale for 3 for $5, so it's $1.67 minus $1 Publix digital coupon, 67 cents for that water. Silk nextmilk, where are you going? Where is it? There it is. Regular price is $5.29. It's on sale 2 for $4, so $4, or 2 for $8, so $4. There is a Publix digital coupon for $1.75. So, and there's also an Ibotta rebate that takes $2 off. So you're looking at only 25 cents for that nextmilk milk. And look at that, it expires tomorrow. So I'm gonna pound it down. And if you ever buy anything and you notice it expired, they'll take it back and refund you your money. So I probably could have taken that back and say, hey, look, this expires tomorrow. Can you? Or they tell you to get another one. You know, I've been through that before if you watch my videos. But I have no problem. I'm gonna drink that down in the next couple of days. So no big deal on that. All right, Enlightened bars. Oh boy, so these are regularly $5.99 for these bars, the keto ones. They are BOGO this week, so there is tax on these. So for 6 of these bars at $5.99 each plus tax, would cost $38.64. BOGO, you're going to pay half that, so you're going to pay $19.32 for these 6 bars. And there is a manufacturer printable coupon for a buy one get one free, and I got the link to print that below. So made all these free. I just had to pay the tax. Took $5.99 off. I live in true BOGO. That means anywhere in Florida. Usually when the sale starts Thursday, I guess, or anywhere in Florida. I don't know why Florida, that's the way it is. But the state of Florida, and I am in the state of Florida, that means if it's buy one, get one free, and you have a coupon that says buy one, get one free, it's completely free. Of course, you did have the tax there, but no problem. So that only cost me the tax, which was $1.35. Chobani milk. So right there, these are $4.49 regular price, and you gotta look for the 0 sugar Chobani as well. That's regular price is $1.50. So you're looking at about $6 for those. However, this is on sale for $1, so that's good. And there's a Publix. There is a Blinky that's been out for a while, and it takes $2 off. There is an Ibotta rebate for $1.25 off, so that's good. And there is a store coupon that expires tomorrow that if you buy one of these, you get one of these. I actually found out it is the creamer, but they let it go. I guess they didn't check. I didn't check, but I figured it out after. But that takes $1.50 off. So spending for these two, spending $5.49, you're getting $2 off from the Blinky, $1.25 off from Ibotta, and $1.50 from the store coupon. You're looking at only 74 cents for both of these, so good deal. Crunchmaster crackers. All right, so these are BOGO a lot, all the time, a lot of the time. So $3.69 each for these, and they are BOGO. And there is a Publix digital coupon for $2 off of 2, so clip that. It would make them only $1.69. However, they were marked $3.49 on the shelf, so they're refunded. Publix promised they gave me $3.69 back for those, making those two a $2 overage moneymaker. It said $3.49, and I spotted them a couple times. I'm pretty good at it. So Centrum minis $12.99 for these regular price. So you're looking at $25.98 for them. However, if you can find them on clearance, they ring up $4.99. So I like that, especially because there is a manufacturer coupon for $3 off from the Save for 10. There's a Publix digital coupon that came off. It probably wasn't, but it came off. It shouldn't have, but it came off. There's that Caltrate coupon for $2 off. Shouldn't have come off, but it did. I'm not going to argue. And coupons.com has another $3 off. So those two Centrum minis made me a $4.02 overage. Once again, everything has helped me build. That's on my $150 to get an extra $30 off. Degree dry spray men's deodorant right there. These guys are $7.19. So for 2 of them with tax, $15.46. $1.50 off manufacturer coupon, manufacturer printable coupon from coupons.com. I used 2 of those, so that took $3 off. Ibotta has $2 off of each one, so it took another $4 off. There is a store coupon for $3 off of 2. That took another $3 off. And there is a $1.50 coupons.com rebate, take another $1.50 off. And of course, I found the one that was marked $6.69. I purposely picked the cent, the $7.19. I seen one that was $6.69. I'm like, okay, this is marked wrong, and of course it was. They refunded me $7.19 for that degree So Publix promise granted there, making this they're supposed to give me the next one for $6.69. They didn't. I wasn't get into it. So $3.20 overage for those guys right there. Cetaphil baby wash, regular price $6.29 with tax, comes to $13.52. There is a manufacturer printable. You basically got to fill out. You don't fill out a survey. You're supposed to make a video of yourself using the product, but they just give you the coupon. It's $4 off after maybe an hour or something. They give you the coupon. So it's $4 off manufacturer printable coupon, limited 2. And there's a store coupon for $2 off. So spending $13.52, getting back $4 and $4. It's $8 in manufacturer printable coupon. And $2 and $2 from the store coupon. That's $4 off, making that only $1.52 for those guys. Barnana chips, where we got right here. So these are regular. I already got into them. The regular price for these guys are $4.29 for 2 of them, $8.58. However, they're on sale 2 for $6, so that cost me $6 for these guys. And there is a manufacturer printable coupon. I got the link and the detailed breakdown below because I know I'm talking fast. So that's $1 off of each bag, and Baya has $1 off of each bag for about a rebate. Coupons.com also has $1 off, limit of 1. So spending $6, I got $2 back from the manufacturer printable coupons, $2 back from Baya, $1 back from coupons.com, making that only $1 for those. Splenda, stevia, liquid, where we are, right there. Regular price $4.19, so for 2 of them cost $8.38. And there is a manufacturer coupon from the Save April 10th, 410. Takes $4 off of 2. That took $4 off. Baya has $2 off of each bottle. So that took another $4 off, costing those only 38 cents. Exact same deal for these. You use the same coupon, and Baya has $2 off of these. So they're $8.38, minus $4 from the manufacturer coupon, minus $2 from Baya, minus $2 from Baya, making that only 38 cents. Once again, everything helped me build up to that $150 threshold. Keep going. We're going to keep going. We got Splenda Water Enhancer. If I can find that. Regular price for this guy is $5.99. It's on sale $4.49 till tomorrow. So there is a manufacturer coupon for $2 off from the Save 410 that took 2 off, and Baya has $1 off of $1 off rebate. Only cost me $1.49. Baya energy drink. Energy. This is hard to find, but somehow I found one in the wrong place, and I said I'm buying it. So regular is $3 with tax, $3.23. Publix digital coupon, clip it for a free one. You only pay the tax, so that only costs 23 cents. And all these help you build up. They help you build up to that threshold you need to get. All right, Okios Okios yogurt. There it is. Now, if you can get that, there's a digital coupon for 65 cents. It says like Danon or something, but 65 cents. Just search for Okios and you'll find it. So it took 65 cents off, and Baya has an absolutely free rebate. It's actually $1.25. It's on sale for $1.09, and you get 65 cents from the Publix digital coupon. You get $1.25 back from Baya, making that an 81-cent overage right there. Degree Woman's Deodorant. There it is. So these are regularly price for this guy is $6.49 with tax, $6.98. It's on sale for 2 for $9, so $4.50 plus tax comes to $4.84. Publix digital coupon for $1.50 off. Clip that. $2 back from Baya, making that only $1.34. Dean's Dip. Yeah, that's good stuff. I already got into it with my Barnana chips and my Crunchmaster crackers. This is $2.50. Baya has $1.50 back, only costing you $1. Good cultured cottage cheese, right there. This is good stuff. I like it. So, ready $1.67. So for 2 of them, it costs $3.72. However, they're on sale for $1 each. So 2 of them cost you $2. And there's Merrifield rebate. Now, I have not done this yet, so I'm gonna have to download this app or whatever it is and get the $1 back from each one of these. So that makes that totally free. Finally, last deal, Truvia Sweet Complete. And I ran up to it and it said $6.49. I said I'm getting that. $6.49, and there is a Publix digital coupon that takes $2 off. There is 1,500 fetch points. That's $1.50 back. There is a $2 Baya rebate. So that's $2 more off. So I'm thinking I'm going to spend $6.49 on it. I'm going to get $5.50 back. It only cost me 99 cents for this thing, and that always helps me build up to my $1.50. But it's marked $7.99, and I didn't know it, and I still got to go back and get refunded on that. I looked at that thing and said, damn. So I'm going to get $7.99 back. I'm going to go back to the store and say, hey, look, got to do it as soon. I don't want them to change the tag or anything, but I got to do it soon. Say, hey, look, here's my receipt. It rang up $7.99. Come over here, look at the shelf price, it's $6.49. Publix promise they will refund me the full price and give me the product for free. Usually they will say, don't worry about the coupons. Coupons like money to them. They redeem the coupons. They're going to get credit for the coupons, so they don't care. So that right there was a $5.50 overage. And once again, I got another $30 back from my $10 off of $50. So once again, paid to shop, $211.73 worth of goods, $34.49 money maker. Links to print the coupons below, breakdown below. So once again, please subscribe to my funny looking guy right there. And here's more cool paid to shop videos. Everybody enjoy their couponing.